Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the Pixel 7 off and removing the SIM tray so nothing shifts while you work. Next, heat the lower bezel to soften the adhesive. Aim for about 80 to 90 degrees Celsius. Then use a suction cup and eye opener to lift a starting gap. Use a thin plastic pick to separate the screen. You want a gradual lift to avoid cracking. Make sure tools are laid out. Torx T3, Tri-Point Y000, plastic picks, and an ESD mat for safe handling. Once the screen is slightly separated, remove the screws holding the midframe and lift it carefully. Organize screws by row, so reassembly is painless. Disconnect the battery first to eliminate short risk. You'll thank yourself later. Then use a plastic spudger to release the display and digitizer flex connectors from their sockets. Work under good light and steady hands. If adhesive holds the motherboard cables, gently heat those areas and use a thin pick to unstick, ensuring no cables are overstretched or torn. Align the new display flex, seat it into the connector, and press until the clips engage. Once done, reconnect the battery and power the phone for a quick test of touch, display uniformity, and front camera functions. If everything responds, apply fresh adhesive strips to the frame, replace the mid-frame and Torx screws to spec. Do not over-tighten. Troubleshooting tip. If touch is unresponsive, reseat the digitizer connector with the battery disconnected, and check for debris or bent pins before final.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.